monkey. I got a monkey on my head.
Oh, jeez. Uh-oh. He didn't like that. He's like, I'm out of here.
Now he'll come back.
Dude, that was cool. Crazy. You see that?
He was walking on my head.
Was it on your head?
Yeah. It was on the corner. But he's coming down, Chad. Coming down. He's at glasses, yes. You can't have them.
Too funny.
Here, bud.
He's on his tail on me. That is amazing.
He wants to climb on your back.
Don't let him take
Oh,
them.
don't let him take your glasses. Don't let him.
Well, my hands are kind of full.
Put it on your wrist.
He loves glasses.
Dude. It's a wild monkey on my arms.
Those are his glasses.
Dude, he wants those.
No.
He
You
really
don't
care
want
about him?
Jamaica.
Jamaica. They're very docile.
Yeah.
Dude, he grabbed on with his neck like this. I'm like,
No. No.
he's trying to bite you? Did he lick?
Dude, that's awesome.
He's just taking me by his tail.
Look at that. You want to fight? You want to fight? Gymnastics. Crazy ass monkey.
God, where's my freaking camera? Damn.
Who's doing like your shorts? It's like a gymnasium for him.
Hi-oh. That's awesome.
He's funny. That's awesome. Not today. Is he still up there? What's he doing?
He's just hanging out.
Put it on your wrist.
Good in there, yeah. That's awesome. It's like a little baby. Hey, baby.
Hey,
Oh,
he's trying to steal from me.
What am I, a springboard? What is he doing?
He's
trying
to take your helmet off.
So you can steal those glasses.
They're pretty smart animals.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie. They're like little humans.
That's great. He like goes to fall, but he catches with his tail.
He's like, I'm gonna go see what that guy has.
Oh, I got you some water.
Yummy.
Look at his feet. So webbed.
So is it, you think it's a rough ride down the way down, or?
I don't know.
I can't believe how much strength he has with his tail.
Like, this guy hopped all over the place.